According to Palestinian security sources and local eyewitnesses, Israel has intensified airstrikes and artillery shelling against the Gaza Strip over the past 2 days. The Hamas-run health ministry in the Gaza Strip said Wednesday that the death toll of Palestinians from Israeli airstrikes on the coastal enclave has risen to 6,546, while 17,439 Palestinians were wounded.
Hospitals in Gaza have reached full patient capacity and are stacked with people seeking refuge. Already 12 hospitals are out of service and 32 healthcare centers have been forced to shut down. Health authorities in Gaza fear more will stop due to the severe lack of fuel and Israeli air raids, as they are worried of disease outbreaks.
Meanwhile, the fair exchanges have been reported on more fronts.
The situation in the neighborhood is becoming increasingly intense. Israeli warplanes launched airstrikes in southern Syria early this morning, killing 8 Syrian military personnel. Southern Lebanon was also hit by Israeli shelling and drone attacks on Wednesday, while Hezbollah fired rockets and missiles into Israel.
Here I'm in Tel Aviv, the economic center of Israel. Behind me is one of the many locations of the Take Them Home campaign nationwide in Israel. In this round of large-scale Israeli-Palestinian conflict, over 200 people have been taken hostage from the Israeli side into the Gaza Strip by Hamas militants.